Today we are going to discuss about the simplification problems. How to solve the simplification problems using shortcut methods. So already in yesterday class, already we told that the simplification problems we solve depending on the rule BODMAS. So in the simplification problems we solve depending on BODMAS, BODMAS or BODISA. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. First preference we give to bracket, next off, next division, next multiplication, next addition and subtraction. So in this way, we give preference to all these things. Next year, in yesterday class already, how to add numbers in this case one already we told. Now case 2. How to add fractions. Now here we see that suppose that value is in the form of half, that means 1/2 is half, 1/4 is 1/4, 3/4, these values are given. How to add that one? 1/2 plus 2 3/4, 4 1/2 plus 5. Here first we add 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 1. Half plus half 1, 1 3/4. 1 add to this one plus 1 3/4. 1 plus 1 13, 3/4. So in this way we add these fractions. Suppose the fractions in the form of 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, etc. Suppose that fractions other than this, how can we add? 2 1/3, 4 2/3 plus 5 equal to, here 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 5 11 plus 1/3. Here LCM is 3. So LCM 3 means here we add this 1 plus 2 3, 3/1. This value is 1. 11 plus 1 1. 11 plus 1 value is 1. So find that value in the way of this one. This is second case. How to subtract? How to subtract the fractions? Now 3 1/2 minus 2 1/4. 3 minus 2 1. Here half value is full. So here this value is more, half value is more than 1/4. So half minus 1/4 is 1/4. 1 1/4. Now suppose this value is in the form of 5 1/2 minus 2 3/4. Now here we observe that half is lesser than 3/4. So first here, that's why this value, whenever this value is lesser than this value, we put one value spare in this one. So we put one value spare or take as carry one value from this one. Remaining value is 4. 4 minus 2 value is 2. Now 1 1/2 minus 3/4. 1 1/2 minus 3/4. That means 1.5 minus 3/4 means remaining 3/4. 2 3/4. Suppose This subtractions is not in the form of this one. It is in the form of some other form. How can we do? Now 7 4 by 5 minus 8 1 by 2. How can we do this one? 4 by 5 means 5 8 is 40, 0.8. So this value is more than this one. No problem at all. So 7 minus 8 value is minus 1. Here we'll take the LCM. 5 2 is 10 plus 10 LCM. 5 divided 2 times 2 4 is 8. 2 divides 5 times 5 into 1 5. So minus 1 3 by 10. So this is the value of this one. Suppose these values are also in the form of this one 9 3 by 4 or 9 1 by 2 minus 7 3 by 4. By 2 take 3 by 5 3 by 5. So this half value is 0.5. Here 0.6. So this value is more. So this value is more means here first here we take one carry here. Take one carry means 8. 8 minus 7 1. Here 1.5. 1.5 means 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 2 5 means LCM is 10. 5 is 10. 2 divides 5 times 5 3 is 15. Minus 5 divides 2 times 2 5 divides 2 times 2 3 is 6. So 1 plus 15 minus 6 9 by 10. That means 1 9 by 10 is the right answer. I am 7 give correct answers. Very good, ma. Next. This is subtraction of that fractions. Next, subtract fraction from whole number. Another case is subtract fractions from whole number. Suppose some 50 minus 47 1 by 2. How to subtract in this case? Here we observe that here fraction is not there. That's why we take one as carry from this value. Remaining value is 49 minus 47. That value is 2. 1 minus 1 means full minus half is half. So 2 1 by 2 is the answer of this one. 63 minus 64 3 by 4. Now 60 yes one take as carry. Remaining 62 minus 64 is minus 2. 1 minus 3 by 4 is here subtract 4 minus 3 is 1 1 by 4. Minus 2 1 by 4. Now suppose this value is in the form of other than this fractions 59 minus 57 4 by 5. Here we'll take one as carry 59 58 58 minus 57 1. 1 minus 4 by 5 means simply subtract here 5 minus 4 1 by. In this way we subtract the values fraction values from whole number. So 4 M7 equal correct answers. Very good. Next one. Just another case is now, for example, the values in the form of this one 25 minus 13 whole square equal to question mark into sum 3. So 29 minus 13. 29 minus 13 value is 25 minus 13 value is 12. 12 square value is 144 equal to question mark into 3. So in that way subtract and after that one square. 3 1 3 4 12 3 3 3 8 24. 48 is the value of question mark. This is another category. Suppose that this value is also in the form of another form. 25 minus 13 square equal to question mark into sum 6. So how to do this type of problems? Now here you observe that this value is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So 25 plus 13, 38 into a minus b. 25 minus 13 is 12 equal question mark into 6. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. 38 into 2, 76. So 76 is the answer of this one. 91. For which problem you get 91 ma? 5 and 7. Check that answer ma. Okay ma. 76 is the correct answer. So this is another type one. Next, multiplication of fractions or division of fractions. How to do the division of fractions? 7 1 by 2 divided by 8 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 2 equal to question mark. So now 2 7 to 14 plus 1 15 by 2. We convert the division into multiplication. Automatically write this fraction in reverse order. 4 8 to 32 plus 3 35 by 4 means we write reverse 4 by 35. 5 3 ja 5 7 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja plus 6 1 by 2 equal to question mark. Reduce the 6 6 by 7 plus 6 1 by 2 equal to question mark. Yes, this value is 6. Here LCM is 14. 7 divided 2, 2 6 ja 12 plus 2 divided 7 times 7. 6 plus 19 by 14. 6 plus 19 divides 1 time. Remainder 5, 5 by 14. 6 plus 1, 7. 7, 5 by 14 is the answer. So in this way, we solve the division or multiplication of fractions. If anyone have any doubt in this one, you ask through chat box. Next one is so divisions. 2 divided by 4 divided by 2. What is the value of this one? 2 divided by 4 into 2. 2 to get cancelled. 1 by 4 is the answer of this one. Suppose that value in the form of this one 0.08 divided by 0.02 divided by 2. What is the value of this one? So 0.08 divided by 0.02 into 2. Here before 2 digits we have decimal. Here also before 2 digits. So 2 into 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So 2 is the right answer. So in this way we solve divided by values. Now 8 into 1000 value is 8000. So what is the value of 8 divided by 1000? This value is 0.008. 18 divided by 2000. What is the value of this one? 18 divided by 2000. 2 9 ja, 2 1 ja, 0 0 0. So 0.009. So 5 and 7, the correct answers. Very good. So these are the basics of simplifications. Now we go for problems. Now here we see, suppose the problem is given in the form of 2450 divided by 7 plus 112 into 2.5 equal to question mark into 2. So this is the simplification problem. So here we apply the BODMAS rule. Brackets are not there, halves are not there. So division, first to do division. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja 21, carry 3 35, 7 5 ja 0. So this part value we get here. After division, we go for multiplication. So 25 2 ja 50, 25 1 ja 25, 30, 25 1 ja 25, 3 28. So before one digit to place decimal. So this value is also 280. Now make addition, 350 plus 280. 0, 13, 16, 630 equal to question mark into 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, carry 1, 1 0 10, 2 5 ja. So question mark equal to 315 is the right answer. Next. Second problem is square root of 1 double 444 plus square root of 5184 equal to 22 into question mark. So try to do this one. Already I told that square roots, how to find square roots. So here last digit form is either 2 or 8. Remove last two digits. This is nearer to 3. 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 3. 3 next digit value is 4, 12. So this is more value. More value means 8, 38 into plus. Here 4 means 2 or 8. Same. 51. 7 square. 7. 7 into 8, 56. This value is lesser value. Lesser value means 2. 72. Equal 22 into question mark. So 110. 110 equal to 22 into question mark. 22 1 ja, 22 5 ja. The question mark equal to 5 is the right answer. 5 and 7 give correct answer. Very good mark. Next third problem. 125% of 7 by 6 of x equal to 84% of 1250. Do this one, ma. All of you try to do this one. Up to now, no one completed this problem. Only 5M7 completed that problem, 720.16. Okay, I will check it once again. 125% means 125 by 100. Half means into 7 by 6 into half means into x. 84% means 84 by 100 into 1250. This 100 get cancelled. Now 25 5 ja 25 5 ja 0. 5 1 ja 5 10 ja. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7 2 ja. Now x equal to 10 into 2 20, 20 into 12 into 10 120, 120 into 6. 12 6 is 72. 720 is the right answer. 720 is the right answer. 579 give correct answer. 5M7 check it ma. You get exactly 720 ma. 1235 is also you 720 very good ma. 4 by 7 of 441 divided by 18 plus 14 equal to square root of question mark. Try to do this one. Do this one immediately. Do this one. Four by seven half means into 441 divided by 18 plus 14 equal to square root of question mark. So first we make division. Now 6 3 ja or 3 6 ja 3 1 ja carry 1 4 14 3 4 ja 12 carry 2 121 3 7 ja. Again 3 3 2 ja 3 4 ja 12 3 9 ja. 4 by 7 into 49 by 2 plus 14 equal to square root of question mark. 7 1 ja 7 7 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. 2 7 ja 14 plus 14 28 equal to square root of question mark. Question mark equal to 28 square. 324 is the right answer. 30 square 300 684 784 more. 28 square is 784 is the right answer. So 579 5M7 give correct answers. Very good mark. 6 by 5 of 7 by 8 into 24 by 21 of 24 25 equal to question mark. Do this one mark. So anyone completed this one? Only 3 persons completed. 2910, 2910, 2910. So now here we check it. That answer is correct or not. 6 by 5 half means into 7 by 8 into 24 by 21 into 2425. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja, 3 3 get cancelled. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja 20, 42. 5 8 ja 40, 5 5 ja 25. 6 5 ja 30, 6 8 ja 48, 51. 6 4 ja 24, 29. 2910 is the correct answer. Ma. So some of the students give correct answer. Very good, ma. Next problem. 243 square divided by 27 square into 32 divided by 12 equal to question mark. So try to do this one. Try to do this one. 243 into 243, 243 square means 27 square means 27 27 into 32 by 3 9 ja, 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, 9 1 ja, 9 9 ja, 9 1 ja, 9 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja. For 1 ja, 4 8 ja, 3 9 ja, 27 into 8, 8 7 ja, 56. 8 to the 16 plus 5, 21. 216 is the right answer. 579, 1235, 5 and 7 give correct answers. Very good. Next question. 58.33% of 408 plus 62.5% of 360 equal to 18 into question mark. So do this one. Immediately do this one. No, 58.33%. 58.33% means 100 into 408. 62.5% means by 100 into 360 equal to 18 into question mark. For 1 ja 0 to 425. 0 0 get cancel. 2 5 ja 2 18 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 5 5 ja 12.5. 25 1 ja 25 4 ja 100 0.2020 0 225 8 ja. So we get this value is 58.33 into 4.08 plus 12.5 into 18 equal to 18 into question mark. So these all these are decimal values. We get compulsory that value is in terms of decimal. But here generally here is given option says 15, 20, 26, 32 and none of this. So directly put that answer without doing these multiplications. Here no values in terms of a decimal, so none of this is the answer. 25.7 to some for something we get. Okay. Then similarly, another type of problem 15 2 by 3, 33 1 by 3 plus 18 3 by 4 into 7 3 by 15 equal to question mark plus 34. So 15 plus 33, 48. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 by 3, that one is also 1. Plus 18 3 by 4. 18 4 is 72, 75 by 4. 6 15 7 105, 108 by 50. 15 1 15 5 4 1 4 2 8, 4 7 28. This one is 49. 5 7 35, 5 2 10 plus 3 13. 14, 7 8, 184 equal to question mark plus 34. Question mark equal to 150 is the right answer. 150 mark. Next, another form of the question is square root of 3100 into square root of 567 divided by 250 equal to question mark t divided by 8 using approximations. Using approximations means you take approximate values. Solve this problem. Using approximations means you take approximate values. Do this one quickly. Square root of 3100. 50 square is 2500. 60 square is 3600. Nearer value 55 square. 5 square 25. 5 10, 10, 5 50, 52. 27, 25. 52 means 5. 3025. So 3025 is the nearer of this one. So we take 55 into 25. 25 square is 625. 24 square is 576. So 576 is nearer to this one. So 24 divided by 15 square 225. 16 square 256. So nearer to 16 equal to question mark plus 8. 8 2 ja, 8 3 ja. 55 into 3 by 2 equal to question mark plus 8. 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15 plus 1 16. 165 by 2 equal to question mark plus 8. Question mark equal to 150, 165 by 2 minus 8. The LCM is 2. 165 minus 16, which equal to 149 by 2. 2 7 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 74.5 is the right answer. $74.5 is the right answer, not 76. Next one. Try to find this value square root of 42849 plus square root of 54756 equal to question mark. Do this one quickly. What is the answer? 21. So first here, find square root of this one. Last digit 7 means 9 means 3 or 7. Remove last two digits. 428. So 21 square is 441. 20 square is 400. So 20 into 21. That value is 420. This value is more. More means here we take 7, 207 plus 6 means either 4 or 6. Remove last two digits. 23, 529, 23 into 24. 24, 3 jar, 72, 48, 55, 552. So this value is less. So less value, 234. Square root of 11, 3 plus 1, 4, 441. 441 means 21. So 21 is the right answer. 5M7 give correct answer. Very good, ma'am. Next one. Fifth root of square root of 38416 whole power 5 by 2 equal to question mark. Do this one quickly. First to find square of this one. 4R6. 384. 19 square is 361. 19. 19 into 20. 380. This is more. More means 6. 1 here square root of fifth root of 5. Square root of 190 square into 5 by 2. Now here we get fifth root of square root of 196 power 5. Here power 2 get cancelled here. Fifth root of power 2 means remaining power 3 is there. 196 power 3. Fifth root of 14 square is 196. 14 square whole cube. Fifth root of 14 power 6. Fifth root completed, remaining value is 14. 14 is the right answer. Fourteen is the right answer. square root of 12 into 184 divided by 23 plus 26 minus 73. What is the value of this one? Do that one. First divide this one. 23 1 ja. 23 9 ja. 8 ja. 23 8 ja. 8 3 ja 24 8 2 16 184. 12 8 ja 96 plus 26 minus 73. 12 11 12 minus 73. 12 minus 3 9. 11 11 minus 7 4. Square root of 49 is 7. 7 is the right answer. 5 m 7 579 gives correct answer. Very good. These are the different models generally that are asked in simplification problems. Thanks to everyone. So today I stop here. Tomorrow means next class. I come with next class with some new chapter. If anyone have any some more examples or some more explanation or you need to clarify all these doubts, you watch my YouTube channel B1 Engineering Placements.